This is a Willwood reverse swing dual master cylinder brake pedal. So I took the old brake pedal bracket out, cut it up, figured out how to get this in here. I made a video on that and it was bad. My camera was shaking. I don't know what I did. It just did not turn out. So I'm redoing it right now. I'm just gonna make it quick and dirty on how to install this bad boy into a bump side F100. There it is. Brake pedal assembly. I need it. So that's cut. This is cut out. I'm gonna deal with this later. I'm not sure like how important it is once it's tight. I don't know that I'm gonna worry too much about it. I'll probably just hook it up there and then bring something back. Just, I don't know, whatever, it doesn't matter. So I cut along here, up here, over here, down here. You can see right there. And then here's with the pedal and master cylinders in. And I'm going to take these out for you real quick to show you everything else I did. My bracket finished. And there it is. I think this will be more than enough. All right, so if we slide this out, as you can see, there's 4 holes on top to screw it in. And then the bottom of the base, there's 4 holes as well. So after I cut that out, I took a piece of rectangular tubing, welded it here with a support right here. So it's held on nice right there. In order to clearance the steering wheel, I had to cut that rectangular tubing because it was hitting the steering wheel, as you can see here. So I just cut it in half and put some gussets in there. There is now room between there to put my hand, so I have more than enough room to work with here. And that's going to be more than strong. I don't think I need all 4 bolts on the base to hold it, because I just don't. I want to be able to slide it out. And for this piece, I just use 1/8" steel, cut out a bracket that fit, welded it on with this square tubing here to hold it nice and straight, and then this square tubing here, it's right there going up here as a support for this square tubing. I haven't seen another setup on an F-150 like this, and I'm pretty sure I'm never going to have a problem with this setup I made. I think it looks pretty good. It's going to be under the dash, so you're never going to see it. And I think the functionality on it is even better, and I'm really happy with it. So again, I'll show you what it's like just to slide this in here, just like that. Then you got your 4 bolts on top here, and then 2 bolts on the bottom here and here. So now I need to install my remote brake reservoir. This is from Scott's Hot Rods. It's got 2 mounting holes, and then it's got 4 holes for your lines to come out, depending on where you would like them to come out. And I also needed to mount my remote reservoir to the firewall. So I made this bracket. These 2 holes here are going to bolt up to the 2 top holes where the brake pedal mounts, just like that. And then there's 2 mounting holes on the back of here. Are going to mount right up to that guy. And that is just simple little bracket again that I made up, and it's going to work just fine. So then my brake fluid reservoir is going to sit right there. So sorry it took so long. For me to make a video. Like I said, that video just sucked. and I'm not going to put out crap like that. So hopefully this was a decent video to help you along if you plan on putting the same type of brake pedal in your car, which I don't think many people are going to do. But, oh well, I did it. Looks good. Maybe it'll inspire you to do the same. Peace out. You ever had one of those fantastic days in the garage where everything goes right and like everything just works out and you're like, yeah, fucking great. That was me last weekend. You ever had those days in the garage where literally nothing goes right, and in your first 20 minutes of working in the garage, you're like, I quit for the day. I fucking quit. That's one of those fucking days, bro. Fuck this. All right. It's been 8 days. Last weekend, nothing went right.